and maybe put some rose petals in the room.
Oh.
They cannot trick me. Sure, I'm a queen too, so. The big diamond ring. They bully me. Some people do. My name's Meghan. Welcome to the kitchen!
Hey, welcome to Cakes and Conversations. Today I get to introduce my good friend Meghan. Meghan, what do the people need to know about you before we get started?
I am wild, so get ready. This may be very interesting.
Fact. Hey, we'll see you in the kitchen.
I am Meghan Yelton, and I am 36, and I am from Peachtree City, Georgia.
Meghan, tell the people what we're gonna do today.
We are making Minnie Mouse, people! I am cheerful, lovable, happy, and love dogs.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, we're gonna get them all out. That's a lot of butter. Meghan, you ever made Rice Krispie treats?
I have, but it's been a while, yeah.
All right, let's melt it down.
I like to babysit, and I love to eat, and I love to film.
Meghan's been watching some Cakes and Conversations. A lot of our guests that we have on now have been watching the show. Which one's your favorite episode?
Owen.
You liked Owen's because it did a little bit of dancing? If you want to see Owen's video, you can click the card at the top. It'll take you to his American flag video that he made. It's probably just the second show we did, and a little bit of Doobie Brothers and a lot of bit of dancing.
And I love the dance floor. You'll have to drag me off of that too.
So we're gonna stir this in. It's gonna be incredibly dark right now because we put in a lot of gel food coloring. Hey, right now we're gonna add some Rice Krispies. What I'll do is I'll put the recipe on there. We'll use around 6 cups with this batch. Go for it. How old were you when you started driving a golf cart?
I think it was 15.
Do you drive a car?
No, I do not. And I don't want to drive a car because it's easy to get in an accident, and I don't want to be reliable. I would ride in a limo, have somebody chauffeur me around, because I'm a princess. I'm a queen too, so. And I think everyone knows it, drama queen, might I add. Woo, baby, it smells so good.
We'll make sure that each one does smell good. What's it smell like?
Heaven.
Oh yeah, heaven. Who sang Heaven is a Place on Earth? Was that Belinda
That was
Carlisle?
Madonna.
Madonna did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ooh, baby, there's a place on earth.
What do you think? It's a little sticky?
It's sticky, but it's all right.
You got a little bit right there.
Oh yeah, I'm saving that for later.
All right.
I have to have my cell phone with me every second of every day.
Why do you have to have your phone with you?
Because it's like my boyfriend. I mean, at least that doesn't talk back.
Have you had a boyfriend break your heart before?
Yes, I have.
You want to tell me about that?
Yeah, he just basically, I don't know. He was just a bad boyfriend. I didn't like him. He didn't make good choices.
Are you going to throw that in there?
Sure.
Okay, let's throw in some marshmallows. Let's get the party going. Right now, again, we're going to throw in about 8 ounces of marshmallows. Let's add a little bit of pink. And so I would say probably about 5 drops of that because we want it to be pretty light. Maybe even just 2 drops because we want to make it as light as possible.
1.
There's 1.
2. Oh,
2.
3.
2, 4. What are you looking for in a boy?
Just honesty and to treat me like a princess, basically. The princess that I am. To open the door, send me flowers, you know, all that jazzy stuff. The big diamond ring when I get married to him. But it's gotta be like bling bling. It doesn't gotta, you know, just, but you know, I'm not fancy smancy. It can be from Walmart. That way, if I lose that one, I'm like, yeah, I can get another one. Money doesn't buy everything, folks.
Let's stir this up, get a little pink going. It's gonna be a pinkish purple.
That's good.
Oh, that's real nice. Test run.
Oh no.
See how we did on the pink?
I'd rather not, but, woo, okay.
I'd rather not, but I will. What other kind of things do you cook in the kitchen, Meghan?
I can make macaroni and cheese.
Okay.
Ramen noodles.
Yeah, staple.
Hard-boiled eggs.
Okay. Tell me, what does it mean to be a good babysitter?
you have to watch the kids extra good. You cannot leave them alone, especially if they're little. And you just can't leave them alone for 2 seconds. You have to have your eyes on them for like, you have to watch them like hawks. But if they're older, then you don't have to worry, because they have their iPads.
All right, we got 4 tablespoons. Throw 4 in here. Oh yeah! Booyah!
We did it. I try to treat the kids like, you know, the parents do. Try to do it the right way that you do it. And no, they cannot trick me. That's the thing. I don't let the kids have ice cream unless Mom says.
The kids go to bed, you might have a little ice cream.
I might.
All right, we're down. Let's go. Let's put in the 16 ounces of marshmallows, throw it in the butter. It's like a swimming pool. It's like the public pool. I used to go to Skyline Rec Center. That's where we
Except
go.
for I wouldn't swim in this pool, Andy.
I'd swim in it. I'd swim in it all day long.
I'd swim in it if it were Coke. I would go swimming in Coke.
Oh, yeah, you would. That's true. What do you think it would feel like to swim in Coke?
I don't know. It makes me feel good. I love caffeine that much.
Oh, like the bubbles? Just like carbonation just rolling all over your body like this?
It's like a massage.
Oh, yeah. You got a Coca-Cola pool? I'm all in for the belly flop. Let us know. Do you have a lot of friends who have disabilities?
Yep, I have a lot.
Megan, do you have a disability?
I do. I have a learning disability. But, you know, doesn't show. I just have a hard time learning math, and sometimes, you know, it gets a little, I guess it's wonky, and I don't know what I'm doing, but that's why I need help. And I don't like to get help because I'm very independent by myself, and I can't do things, but, you know, I hate to admit that I need help, but I do need help a lot.
Why do you think it's hard to ask for help?
Because, as I said, I'm very independent, and my grandmother's independent, and I get it from her. That looks so perfect. Like, I wish I could just...
Go ahead, put it on your face right now. Bet you won't.
Give me $1 million and I will.
I might just do it for $1. Oh.
Sure, let's do it.
Oh yeah, feels right.
Ooh, like that?
Huh? You don't need on the back of your hand.
Well, if I'm gonna just go all out.
Okay, it's gonna stick to your hands.
I've been doing pretty darn good on my weight process, so I don't know. I think I've been doing pretty good. Just takes me a little while to get, you know, the process. With my medicine, it just makes me tired and irritable, and just give me a Coke and I'll feel better. That's all I ask. If you see that I'm mad, or you see that I'm angry, or like just not having a good day, bring me a Coke, please, and I'll feel so much better.
Around the edge like this. So we're gonna let it keep going.
It's not as sticky as it was.
It's not as sticky. Okay, it might be
I've never
easier.
shaped a
Rice
Rice
Krispie
Krispie tree.
Yeah, it's the first time for most people. Most people don't spend a lot of time shaping these things, but what do you think about it?
I think it's cool. There you go.
Okay.
And we'll have a little bit of white in there.
Yeah. Megan, how do people treat you?
Some people treat me like they bully me. Some people do.
What's it like to be bullied?
It does not feel good at all. Like, but kids don't treat me like that. They understand. They're like, she's cool. She looks like a cool person.
But adults treat you like that?
Some adults do.
Why do you think you get bullied?
Cause I have special needs, so they bully me a lot.
Do you think this could be better in Disney World or no way, Jose?
If I won a trip because I did this,
Yeah, it'd be pretty awesome.
that would be awesome.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we're not giving away trips to Disney World yet, but maybe one day on Cakes and Conversations, we'll be doing that, where kind of like Mr. Beast when he just gives away things, or Ellen gives away a lot of things. Maybe one of these shows where we just give away. But right now, all we're giving away is a Rice Krispie cake. You used the term special needs, so can I say that?
That's fine.
What term do you prefer if people are talking about disabilities or special needs? Do you prefer either of those or none of them?
Just a special person. I'm just a special person and God gave me a special gift. I'm not like special needs, retarded, or, you know, I'm gifted too.
You want to shape this into her nose, like don't have to be tight, just that's probably good right there. You want to take that half? Let's leave that for inside her mouth, so she has a little bit pink inside the mouth.
Yeah, let's leave it for lipstick.
Oh shit, does Minnie Mouse wear lipstick?
I don't know, but this Minnie Mouse did.
Yeah, she did. That's what you could do. You know, we're not sponsored by Disney, so you can make it, if you want your Minnie Mouse to have lipstick, because her lip gloss is popping, you do that. Hey, you want to grab that bow and set it right up here? All right, so we're getting the bow and putting it in place. Trust me, they're gonna want to eat this. Have you been to some camps?
Yes, I went to Camp Big Heart and I love it. Camp Big Heart is very nice. I'm just a kind of camper slash leader now, so I have to be on the leader side and not the camper side. Well, I mean, both sides are my sides, but camper means you can relax, but leader means you have to lift everybody up and say, okay, you can do this. I have one buddy, her name is Abby. Her and I sleep in the cabin together because I snore so bad. So no one wants to sleep with me except for her.
We also need to cut some smaller marshmallows. We're gonna do a polka dot bow, right?
Well, why don't we just use candy or something?
What kind of candy?
We could use chips for the eyes.
Like Pringles?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I just want to say the taste might change a little if you put a chip in there. Innovation is happening right here in the kitchen, y'all. What does it mean to be a good leader?
That just means you raise everyone up and you don't like mess around. You say, let's go. Like, you can do it. You don't just sit there, and if they get frustrated, just leave them alone. Don't even touch them. Because if they get frustrated, then you're gonna get frustrated, and everyone's just gonna know, basically, yeah.
Curl.
So I can get it to curl. It looks like a little worm.
Yeah, it does a little bit like a worm.
I think that's what we feel like when we put on mascara.
Yeah, I've never put on mascara. What's it feel like?
Feels good.
Yeah.
Especially the one that's waterproof.
Oh.
Then you can cry. We'll put that one in the middle.
Okay, you can do that. If you could be on any game show, what game show would you be on?
Weakest link.
Oh yeah. Would you?
Oh, the weakest link. Goodbye. When the right guy comes.
Yeah. Tell
And gets me those flowers and opens those doors.
That Hummer limo ride.
Oh yeah.
Talked about.
And get pedicures.
Yeah, and manicures.
Oh yeah, and spas.
Oh yeah. Maybe I should start doing that for my wife. You think I need to be doing all that?
I think you need to open the door.
Yep, okay, check.
Get her a limo ride if she didn't.
Limo ride?
Yeah, and get her some flowers.
Yeah, just every now and then. A girl wants some flowers?
Yeah. It shows that her husband loves her.
Okay.
And maybe put some rose petals in the room.
Oh, okay.
And some candles.
Uh-oh. Okay, you know, this is a family-friendly show. We made a Minnie Mouse. How you feeling about it?
I feel great.
Yeah, what was the hardest part?
I don't know, all of it.
So what was your favorite part?
Just watching Minnie slide. She did the Casper slide.
It's time to get funky. Hey, we had a blast today in the kitchen making Minnie Mouse. Thanks for hanging out with us. We know that this creation is incredibly beautiful, and we believe
just like everybody else.
That's right, because we believe every creation is beautiful.
Just like all you children.
Yes, and everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen.